Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Make sure the device has at least 20% battery and is updated, because an interrupted setup wastes time. Open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. When prompted, enter your current passcode. This verifies you. Once done, choose Reset Face ID and position your face inside the frame. Move your head slowly in a circle so the camera captures every angle. This ensures reliable recognition rather than repeated failures later. Once the first scan finishes, you immediately perform the second scan. Keep your face centered and make the same slow, full rotations. This builds a complete 3D map. Next, to change your passcode, select Change Passcode and enter the current one to authenticate. Then choose between a 6-digit, 4-digit, or custom alphanumeric passcode. Pick a unique, non-sequential passcode and avoid birthdays. Make sure to update trusted people or backups who may need. You finish by immediately verifying Face ID. Lock and unlock in bright, dim, and indoor light, and try with any regular glasses or sunglasses you wear. If recognition struggles, reset Face ID and repeat the 2-scan process, making sure the true depth camera area is clean and unobstructed. If passcode problems continue, sign in with your Apple ID to reset where available, or perform a secure device restore as a last resort. And finally, make sure Find My iPhone is set for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.